Hey, as you can see, I'm very excited because I'm about to do my first makeup tutorial on this channel. So I've got my mirror here with me so that I can see exactly what I'm doing and how I look. Okay, so first I'm using my primer from Collection. It's called Primed and Ready, sorry. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face before I put any makeup on my skin. And weirdly enough, I actually start off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the colour Fawn. I see loads of people who are like professionals at makeup and they usually put it on like after they put their foundation on, but I put mine on before. I just feel like it gives me that like blend. I'm able to blend it better when I put it on before, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on right now and later on I will blend this in. So I've made my beauty blender a bit damp with water and I'm now just blending in the LA Girl concealer in the parts that I put it. So yo, blend it in, girl, blend it in. So now I'm going to go with my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I love this foundation. I've got the shade Cappuccino. I think this foundation is so good. First of all, the coverage is amazing. And second of all, it blends so well with my skin. So I definitely recommend you to try it out, definitely. So this is how I do it. I basically put it on my hand and I actually use a brush to do my foundation. I used to use beauty blenders, but like I realized when I go to like MAC stores and stuff, they usually use a brush to do your foundation. So I was like, oh, let me try it, and I tried it, and ever since I tried it, I've never gone back. So yeah, I usually use a brush. It kind of makes me feel like I'm painting my face as well, which makes it a bit fun. So yeah.
Make that head sound, baby.
So as you can see, I done my eyebrows off camera. Sorry guys, I got a bit excited here, so don't mind the dancing. But yeah, so I'm just gonna blend out the concealer that I use, which is Fawn LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna blend it out with the same brush I did my foundation with. I don't usually do this. I don't know why I did that today. I usually use a different brush, but yeah, it's really up to you. And I done my eyebrows off camera because I don't know how to do eyebrows. I'm not an expert. I literally just tried to do it just so it will go up with my makeup look. So yeah, that's why I did it off camera. But they turned out alright anyway, so yeah. So as you can see, I had to switch brushes because the other one I was using is too big. And this one kind of helps me get into the like really I don't know how to explain it, but like the corner bits, like the bit right underneath my eyebrow that I need to blend in. Whereas as you can see, the other one was too big. So this is the one I usually used originally to blend it out, and I'm just using my beauty blender there just to like pat it down a bit so that it kind of fades, if that makes sense. I'm not very good at explaining it, but yeah, I think you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to say. So I am using the Revlon Terracotta. It's like baking powder basically, but I don't bake. I literally just put it on straight away, and then I just brush it with my brush, as you can see, in an upwards like motion. So that's literally what I do. Some people probably let it sit on their face and bake, but I don't do that. I've never tried it. Maybe I might one day, but yeah, I just don't do that. Now we are at my favorite bit, guys. I'm about to put the highlight on. I love this part of makeup, like I absolutely love it, because when you see that glow of the highlight, oh my gosh, absolutely yes, love it so much. Like the shimmer, everything, I love it. And I've got one of the best highlights, I would say. I'm actually using the Revlon Strobe highlight, I think it's called, yeah, and it's in the version called Gold Addict, and I bought mine from Superdrug. So yeah, I love this highlight. Like every time I wear it, I always get asked, oh my gosh, what highlight is that? Oh my gosh, you've got a glow, your skin is glowing. Like I always get compliments with this highlighter, so yeah, I love it. Shout out to my sister Virginia, who introduced me to this highlight. She's the best, love her, yes. See that glow on my nose? Like nah, this highlight is too sick. Okay, to be fair, this is one of my other favorite parts of makeup, putting on my mascara, because I think one of my favorite assets of myself is my long eyelashes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go right ahead and zoom in and put this on. So for people that have been asking me all this time how I got long eyelashes, this is actually my technique of how I do my mascara. So I kind of do it inwards using my actual mascara, and then I use another brush to just brush them out, if that makes sense. Okay, so I kind of rushed this one, but as you can see, my eyelashes are quite long. They can go longer than this, but because I rushed it, that's why they're this length. But yeah, I am finito. Guys, you should be so proud of me. I've done my eyebrows myself. But yeah, so after everything, I usually use a cotton bud just to go over the mascara I've just done, because I hate when like I've got mascara on and then you can see the dark marks on my eyelid. I hate it so much. So I always use cotton buds just to clean it up after I'm finished with my eyelashes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.